Alvarez has a class where 20 out of 25 students pass the quiz, and we want to find out what percentage that represents. Now, the first thing that I would like to identify is what the total or the whole is and what the part is. Now, when I'm looking at the prompt, I can see that there are 25 students, which represents my whole or my total. And the part that I'm looking for is 20. So let's represent this visually. When I look at the bar, I have from 0, and my total is going to be represented as 25. So let me go ahead and mark that because that's my total or my whole. Now, when I break this into sections, I can see that in my whole are 25. And if I were to count by fives, I can break this line up into fives, representing both the 20 and the 25 on that line. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the fifth line will be 25 right here. And let's go ahead and label that. So we have 5 students, 10, 15, and 20. And what I'm looking for is this point right here. Before I do anything with the percent bar down below, I would like to think about what kind of number I'm looking for. So I know that this line is greater than half, because half would be around here, marked around somewhere in there. So it's going to be greater than half. And if I look at the line, it looks like 3/4 of the way would probably be around here. So my number is probably going to end up being greater than 3/4. And as a percentage, 3/4 of 100 is 75, which is 75%. So I'm looking for a number that's probably going to be greater than 75, but definitely probably less than 90 or 9 out of 10. So let's see how we do with this. The first thing I'm going to do is I divided my number line up here into 5 equal sections. I'm going to do the same thing with my percent line as well. 5 equal sections. And I realize it's not perfect, and yours doesn't have to be perfect either. If I take 100 and divide it into 5 equal parts, instead of counting by 5s, I'm going to actually be counting by 20s. So let's label this as 20%, 40%, 60%, and 80%. Now my line that connects these two, so this line is connected to this one right here, which indicates that my part that I was looking for at 20% right here is now going to correspond with 80% down here. And our estimate was something greater than 75%, but definitely less than 90%. And that meets what we were looking for.